Hello, hi. My name is Alif Azhan bin Abdul Rahman. My ID number is CE200182 and from Group 7, section 5. Okay, so I will present about our lab 3. So for lab 3, we need to do edit video using Adobe Premiere. So I will explain about this software. So for this software, it's quite easy to edit the video. So at here we can see the adjustment layer for the like a transition for the video from the video transition. And here it's for tag UTHM. As you can see, we play the video. You can see a text from the picture, and this for the third row, you can see title, entrance, and etc. For title UTHM, you can see. So this is a title for the UTHM, and this entrance for the UTHM. Okay, for this, usually you can just connect the song. You just click and drag it here. So at the green one, the song for this song, and then the second song it like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.